Hi guys! So again guys, welcome to my channel, my Reels channels guys. So it's me, founder ETC guys, and together with my best friend Mike. So today guys is nandito kami ngayon guys kasi nandito kami nandito kami ngayon guys sa bahay guys, and this coming
September 9, and hello nga pala sa inyong
September
lahat.
9 is our 9 years anniversary guys. So
Actually.
ganun guys katagal na yung best friend namin guys, no. So and yun guys, pakilala ka muna para
So yun nga, once again, my name is Bro Mike, Supreme Tirador of ATC Warriors Clan, and gusto ko lang batiin kayong lahat, especially sa ating mga ka-Supreme Tiradors, Biradors, and Cargadors, and King and Queen of Jobulan. And sana nga pala magkita-kita tayo ngayong December para sa ating get together.
9 years. And also our 9 years anniversary. So imbitahan mo sila sa
Guys, sana nga pala makumpleto tayong lahat para sa ating pagtitipon, para sa ating grupo.
Of course, to our family, yung ATC Warriors. So, yun guys, so tamang chill-chill lang kami dito guys, no. So, ayan. So, cheers.